Hello everyone. This video is about how to replace your unpaid leave with an attendance request or a leave request. Now let's go to the Darwinbox app. So this is how my Darwinbox profile looks like in my login. This is a mobile app and this unpaid leave replacement request won't work in the mobile app. See, I have unpaid leaves too. Unpaid. If I just scroll it, I can see update attendance, apply leave, attendance request. Please enter a message. Testing. I'm just doing a testing. That's why I've just mentioned it as test. Submit. If I have to apply leave, let me see. For myself, leave type, I'm choosing casual leave. From date to date is, let me take for 21st. Testing. I'm just mentioning it as testing, but you can choose from the drop down. Sorry, there is no drop down here. You have to just type the reason. Leave reason cannot be blank. Okay, where is the leave reason? Okay, here is the drop down. I am choosing other as of now. You can choose whichever reason is relevant to you. Submit. This, see, there is already a system applied leave for this site. So what is the system applied leave? That is unpaid. So in the mobile app, this unpaid replacement is not working. So that is why the Darwinbox team has given a solution that you can log in as a web page in your own phone. I mean, uh, you don't have to log into your laptop or a desktop, whereas you can actually log into your phone and you can use your phone itself as a laptop or a desktop. I'll show you how to do that. Now I'm just closing this. I'm just minimizing it because it is not working fine in the mobile app. Now let me open the Google Chrome. See here, I'll type Shrestha. See here, this is the login, shrestha.darwinbox.in /user and again login. Let me just click on this. So this is the web page now, and on the right top you can see 3 dots. If you click on this, here the desktop site option is already ticked, so that is why I am able to log in. So please ensure that this tick mark is there, and you can use this web page in Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or any other browser in the phone. So now let me put my login details. See, I have already saved my password in my mobile, so I can just go ahead and click on continue and let me sign in. I am just clicking on sign in option now. See, this is how it looks like. This is the same how I can see my Darwinbox login in my laptop or a desktop, the same way I can view all these options in my mobile too, but it is in a web mode. See, I can just maximize and view. It is loading, the page is loading. See, I have all the accesses like how I have in my laptop. Now I have to replace my unpaid leave with an attendance request or with a leave request. Let you have to just go to this attendance. You all can do this. Please click on the attendance icon. How it looks like, and here if you see, there are options: regularize, and this is calendar. See, this is calendar view, and this is the next option is with three dots and three lines, that is a list view. I have just clicked on list view. The page is loading. See, here I can see only the status: single punch absent, weekly off, unpaid, holiday, but I am not finding for which date it is. The reason is, here my profile is open, my photo and my name you can see, and here if you see there is a small arrow here. If I just click on this, this page will go off. I'm just clicking on it, please observe. So the page is gone, and let us minimize it. See, now you can see the dates here: date, time in, time out, break duration, formal work duration, from there to till status and location, operation, assignment, everything is there. Now let us try uh, replacing the unpaid leave. For example, 30th May I have unpaid leave. So see here, 30th May unpaid leave. So whenever you are, please understand, this unpaid leave is a system generated. It will automatically reflects as unpaid leave in different kind of scenarios. I will tell you what are all those scenarios. The first one is, you did the check-in and check-out, but that is yet to approved by your manager. Earlier it was treated as it was getting treated as absent, but now this has been changed to unpaid leave. So you did the check-in and check-out, but it is pending for approval. So in that case, this is the first scenario where you can find your attendance as unpaid. And the second scenario is, uh, you're on leave, you applied for a leave, but it is pending for approval. That is second scenario. And the third scenario is, uh, you are absent, you did not apply for a leave, or you are present but you did not do the check-in and check-out. Okay, so in all these kind of scenarios, the system, and one more thing, it is your week off, but still it is not marked as your week off. So please, all of you, ensure that your week off is properly updated in your attendance in your Darwinbox login. Okay, so in all these kind of scenarios, the system will take your day as unpaid automatically. So you, and whenever you are proceeding for a leave, as long as it is planned, please do apply leaves before proceeding further. And in only in case of emergency, it's okay. Once you are back from the leave with your manager approval, please apply. But till then, I request all of you to please apply before proceeding for a leave. And one more request to all the managers, that you kindly keep approving your team's data on regular basis, at least once in a week, so that they all will have a clarity on their attendance. If any differences are there, they can come to you and they can discuss and they can regularize their attendance. Now let's click on this. See, please observe, 30th May I have unpaid leave. Then what I have to do is I have to click on this unpaid option. I am just clicking on this unpaid option. When I clicked on this unpaid option, this is how it is reflecting: leave request unpaid 30th May. So I have, for 30th May I have unpaid leave. Now I have to either request for revoke, replace leave, I can do. But as of now, if I request for revoke, again I have to apply. Let us try how it works. Request for revoke. Let me close my profile here so that I can see 30th May what happened. See, 30th May there is no change. I clicked on request for revoke, but my unpaid leave is still as it is on 30th May. So let me again click on unpaid, and then I land on this page. Requested for revoke of leave on 22nd June, which is today. Revoke request message from user. So I think it is pending for an approval. Even if I want to revoke request again, I can do that, or I can click on reject. Anyways, I will check with a Darwinbox team about this option. How does it work? How it should actually help us. Now again let's go to 30th May and click on unpaid. See, request for revoke option we just tried. I do not have a clarity on how far it is helpful to us. I have just given a try, and I suggest don't use this option as of now, uh, and you directly use this option replace leave. When you are on leave and when you have not applied for a leave but taken the leave, now you want to apply a leave. So in that scenario, this replace leave option will help you. Let me click on this replace leave. Now leave type casual leave, 30th